This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make the time display larger on Android. First, open your device's Settings application. From there, locate and tap on either the Display or Accessibility section. Within these menus, you will find options like Font Size or Display Size. Simply move the slider to the right to increase the size of all on-screen text, including the clock, making it much easier to read. Many Android devices offer robust accessibility features designed to enhance readability. Go to your settings, then tap Accessibility. Here, you'll often see options such as display size and text or a dedicated font size setting. By increasing the font size here, not only will your system text become larger, but the time displayed in your status bar and on your lock screen will also expand, providing a clearer view. For a more prominent time display on your home screen, consider using a clock widget. Simply long press an empty area on your home screen, then tap Widgets. Browse through the available clock widgets. Many allow you to resize them after placement. Choose one that suits your style, then drag its edges to expand it to your desired size, making the time easily visible at a glance. For advanced users, developer options offer fine-grained control over display scaling. First, enable developer options by tapping your build number 7 times in About Phone. Then, navigate to developer options and find minimum width or smallest width. Decreasing this DPI value, for example, from 400 to 300, will effectively enlarge all screen elements, including the clock, but use caution as it affects the entire interface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.